medyo excited ako for this because they had that promo na
Ganda
I think
nun.
pogi
Medyo
na.
tan.
I've never seen them look so good.
Wala,
But like,
dilim eh.
dilim eh. 1, 2, sarang!
Hey!
Annyeong, this is Pia.
What's up, everyone? This is Trency.
Hi, this is Monica and we are 1, 2, sarang here for another music video reaction. Yay!
Reaction.
Pero wait, bago natin simulan to, kumusta ko you guys? It's been raining and it seems like it's gonna rain for a while. Like, have you guys been safe and dry? Anong mga kinakain nyo?
Mahalaga.
Oh my God. Can I just share? So, I was out and about and then sabi ko, parang ang sarap ng like noodles, jampong, jajangmyeon situation. And in Asiana, I found this amazing Korean Chinese fusion restaurant run by a Korean couple. Tapos puro Koreans yung kumakain. So I'm legit. It's called O Dragon. It's in Asiana Business Park. And it's so good. And bang for your buck. Sobrang daming serving. So, yes. That's what I ate.
Dragon?
Oh, Dragon! Oo. Parang ano siya? Affiliate siya ng
save.
Tsaka ng O-Tokyo.
At ni G-Dragon, are they related?
Yes, this is Oma ni Dragon. Kaya O.
Yun yung O.
Oo.
O yung Oma, hindi E-O eh.
Oo. Kasi shortcut eh. Hip siya eh. Oo.
Well, I hope everyone's been doing well, doing fine. The rain's not gonna stop for quite a bit because it is the season. And yeah, I hope you guys are safe out there. A few days ago, TXT released this video and I haven't seen it. I think you guys haven't seen it too. So we're going to be reacting to this video and I don't know, parang something about the promos. Feeling ko lang, it's gonna give me comfort too. So,
Ooh.
I don't know. Medyo may onting expectations ako in this music video. So, kayo, may thoughts pa kayo? Anong may expectation? Hindi, bawal mag-expectations. Why don't we just watch it? And then
Yeah, we should.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see.
Let's go.
This is TXT's Beautiful Strangers.
Do it for love, it's matter forever. Still, we do it for love. 두려워 말자 together. We're beautiful strangers.
Pogi.
너의 이름을 불러 마치 아이가 엄마를 찾듯 목소린 점점 커져 네가 걷는 힘을 따라서 네가 날 불러 날 깨워줬듯 이제 널 불러 calling a heaven 서로를 구원해준 이 순간 이 순간을 잊지마 We do it for love
The collarbone, yeah.
Yes.
Do it for
Go,
love
Subs.
두려워 말자
Pogi ah.
Yeah.
너의 이름을 불러 이 순간이 너무 아름다워 영원의 약속 주문이 풀린 세계에서 We're beautiful strangers We're beautiful strangers Ooh, We're beautiful strangers 인사하면서도 아름다운 걸 깨진 유리조차 반짝여 보여 네 꺾인 날개와의 불 흉터는 마치 타투 우리 사랑의 장갑 네 등에 흉터에 입을 맞춰 또 한 번 너와 그리는 heaven 세상이 우리 다 비웃어도 두렵지 않을 이유 We do it for love 잊지 마라 forever Still do it for love 두려워 말자 together 너의 이름을 불러 이 순간이 너무 아름다워 영원의 약속 주문이 풀린
啊
세계에서 We're beautiful strangers
Hindi maganda yung pagkakabit.
The end has no exit.
너의 이름을 불러 이 순간이 너무 아름다워 영원히 약속 주문이 풀린 세계에서 We're beautiful strangers We're beautiful strangers We're beautiful strangers
Okay, so that was Beautiful Strangers by TXT coming from their album The Star Chapter Together. That was also released on July 21 and it has a total of 8 songs.
It's a full album.
It's a full album, 4th Korean language studio album.
Okay.
So, what did you guys think of the music video? How was it?
Pogi.
The collarbone is
The
collarboning.
collarbone is collarboning.
Subin.
No? Subin. Yeonjun giving some softness. No?
After ng lahat ng abs na tinadtad nila sa atin sa love language, parang
Correct.
mag-ano tayo, emo soft boy naman.
Correct. Oo.
Or mag-kulto? Kulto. Hindi ko alam kung ako lang to kasi I've been watching
Oo.
like documentaries I told you guys these past few days, past few weeks actually, and some of those topics would be about cults and stuff. So parang seeing them in those situations with those movements and all that,
Yeah.
parang why am I seeing cults again? Like obviously ang next step is to see the English subs because I want to know what this song is about because I didn't want to start this pero parang hindi ko na feel yung video to the song. Like I didn't know what it was trying to say
Yes.
that is relating to the song. So I'm wondering what it's about.
I mean, ako honestly, same feelings about it. Kasi TXT, I really, really like their music and their music videos. Kasi meron silang lore usually na sinusundan eh. Alam mo yun? So parang may thread lahat ng albums nila and yung mga music videos nila. To a certain degree, may connection. This one though, parang it felt like a reiteration of what they've already done but in a different package. Na parang like,
Oo.
parang tumatakbo na naman tayo. Parang hindi pa ba
Yun
tayo
nga
tapos sa
eh.
Lost Boy era natin? Alam mo yun, parang,
Yeah, that's what I wanted to ask. Like, ano ba yung lore nila? Kasi ang dami ngang parang, napanood ko na to na sila yung gumagawa. And it was very apparent dun sa parang setting na parang yung tiles yung background. Anong MV yun? Pero happy-happy na MV yun
Loser
Parang
Lover?
2-3. Loser Lover ba?
Oo.
Baka, pero parang basta sobrang nakita ko na sila dito sa saktong set na to. So,
Oo.
ano ba meron, baka hindi ko naiintindihan kasi nga, hindi naman ako familiar sa lore nila. Kaya,
Oo.
parang feeling ko, yun nga, it felt so connected to a whole world that was built that I'm not part of.
But was that something that you appreciated or it's something that kind of
I
put
felt
you off?
disconnected. Parang, I mean, the subs were there, parang puro diba? Beautiful stranger, let's go together.
Oo.
Something like that yung
Correct.
lyrics niya.
Oo nga. Oo.
Parang it felt romantic, pero ang nakikita mo, friendship ba dapat? Kasi sila yung nag-holding hands. Hindi naman
Correct.
romantic yung connection nilang, as far as I'm seeing, di naman mukhang romantic. Friendship naman yung pinapakita.
Bromance. Oo.
So
And then
parang,
it has like the end has no exit. So parang there's that post-apocalyptic thing going
Exactly.
on,
Yeah.
which
Oo.
we've seen from them before. Yeah, now that you're speaking about it, I wonder if these are effective. Kasi parang, obviously for me, music videos help in the language of the song, in the messaging of the song. But if there's a lore that we're not understanding, like, ayun, like, I don't know what it's
hindi ako
about.
kasali. Sorry.
Oh.
Parang ganun eh.
Ang takeaway ko sa kanya, may pagka-ano siya eh. May pagka innocence lost eh. Parang may ganun siyang vibe. Kasi di ba parang may part dun sa music video na they were running in the field of green, alam mo, in vibrant colors and stuff.
Darling.
Darling. Actually,
Yun din
medyo may
iniisip
darling
ko.
vibe
Darling
nga siya
talaga
ng
yung
slight.
nakita ko eh.
Oo.
I mean, yung dating sa akin. Kaya which is for me, parang all the more na napaisip ako na parang going back to their older videos and like yung progression, I guess, ng mga albums nila na parang nasa na ang TXT ngayon in terms of what they're trying to show. Kasi parang it feels like they're still at loss of innocence angle. Parang hindi pa tayo nagpo-progress outside of that. Although, like, I listened to the whole album na it felt a little bit more mature compared to their more angstier albums of past. This one feels a little bit more chill. Parang may ganun siya.
Because that's always also my question with TXT in general. Like, I appreciate them. I appreciate their songs. Pero parang, if I'm made to describe TXT as a non-MOA, I guess, like as a casual fan, listener,
Yeah.
like I wouldn't know how to describe their music or their identity even. I'm not so sure. Parang hindi ko alam kung ano talaga yung packaging nila. Parang ganon.
Yes.
So is it a Lost Boy narrative? Yun ba?
I don't know. Actually, you mentioning it made me think pwede.
Tsaka parang pabago-bago kasi sila ng... I mean, lahat naman ng K-pop groups parang they kind of change genres naman. Pero there's one thing that kind of ties everything together.
Yeah.
With TXT kasi parang they're a little bit malleable. Alam mo yun? Parang for a time, parang it's really the alternative rock.
Yeah.
Parang yun yung Loser Lover and the
I like
succeeding
that.
albums.
Yeah.
Parang yun yung ano. And I actually thought na yun yung magiging, kumbaga, statement sound na talaga nila. Which is still here, actually. Medyo may ganun parang vibe eh. But a little less, parang mas pulled back siya. May isang song dun sa album na mas rockish eh. On one end, for me, I kind of like it na medyo may ganun silang attack. But then yun nga, in terms of like branding or like how people get to know them, yun nga, it might be a little bit confusing.
I get how being malleable is great. Because like at least, you know, there's a chance for anyone to, you know, latch on to whatever era they're in, etc. Kind of like how 17 does it. Diba?
Ako gusto ko yung mga vibrant concepts nila. Although ay super para sa akin, peak talaga yung Loser Lover tsaka yung 0 by 1. Yung buong ano na yun. Yun yung peak sa akin. Pero parang gusto ko sila kapag vibrant. Ito, yung Love Language, I super like that.
Magic.
Tapos yung
I love Magic.
I super
Yeah.
love Magic. Yung mga ganon nila. So parang gets naman na magaganto sila na concept parang coming from the last single tas biglang ganito. Pero yun nga, ang disconnecting lang sa akin nung MV, maybe more of, I'd want to see their stages. Kung paano na lang nila i-perform.
Baka it might be
yun,
better.
dun ko mas ma-appreciate yung song kasi the MV did not do it for me.
Yeah, oo.
Yes.
Super gets.
I agree
Sayang
with
kasi
you.
parang sobrang visually by themselves. I think they're at their peak visual na. Yan na. Pero ngayon, parang tangin sobrang pogi
Papunta
talaga
na
nilang lahat ngayon. Alam mo yun?
Di ba nga,
Correct.
yung hype curse na kapag nag-25 na, there's
Ay,
no
Diyos
turning
ko,
back.
nandun
Yun
na,
yung
wala na. Grabe,
nila.
parang pag pinapanood ko talaga si itong mga batang to, iba talaga. Sabi pa nga kasi nanodoto kasama namin, kasama ko si Tilly, may trusty assistant. And then sabi niya, alam mo mukha sila talagang mabango. Alam mo, oo. Kasi yung bango nila yung perfume na parang
Totoo.
sobrang mahal. Alam mo yung gano'n yung bitsura
Kasi
talaga
yun yung
nila.
natural scent nila. Parang
Correct. Akala mo
Correct.
parang like, guys, bottle it up. Tapos mag-live selling kayo. Diba?
Pero diba, kaya ako sinabi na medyo excited ako for this because they had that promo na
Ganda
I think
nun.
kasi it was like the wooden walls na may pagka-retro vibe
Yes,
na
oo.
ang pogi
Medyo
na
tan.
I've never seen them look so good.
Oo.
So I was hoping that you'd see so much of their good looks in this video.
Wala,
But like
dilim eh.
Hindi, dilim eh.
Oo.
They chose darkness.
Correct. They chose darkness. Oo.
Like, I hope since this is an album release, I hope they get to release another, maybe?
Yeah, sana.
Para makita naman natin mukha nila.
Correct.
Sayang
Pero
naman.
I would like to add lang siguro on brighter end. Parang like I really like yung chorus choreography nila dito sa music video though. Parang yung sa chorus na yon tapos si Subin pa yung center. parang it was like Yuning Kai and then it was Subin after. Strong, parang medyo mas
Hindi ko
hip-hop yung
maalala.
mas hip-hop
Okay lang.
yung move na yun sa part na yun. Na parang ko like, ay, gusto ko tong change in choreography nila.
Yun ba yung part na parang nag-drop yung beat tas biglang parang nagda-dance battle na sila?
Parang,
Oo,
parang
nasa
may
gitna
dance
ng
battle na nangyayari.
they're
Tapos gumanon si
surrounded
Subin.
by-
gets.
Tapos gumanon si Subin. So, kita mo yung kinikili niya.
Okay. Tama.
Yung part na yun.
Naging streetman fighter bigla.
Correct! Actually, yun nga, parang ano pang storyline nito, hindi natin maintindihan. Medyo confusing nga siya. Masyadong maraming ideas in one 3-minute video.
Or baka naman meron sa inyo Sarang Base na MOA there who can explain this to us. Like
Yes.
maybe there's a really good explanation behind all this, behind this concept. That's our reaction to TXT's Beautiful Strangers. And again, MOA, if you guys have like things to say, other suggestions, other comments on this video, please let us know. The comments below. We'd love to hear about it. We'd love to learn more. And please follow us on our socials. We are on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. If you're enjoying our content, we'd love your support. Please hit that follow button and give us 5-star reviews because that will really help us out. That'll help us grow and bring more amazing content your way. Again, thank you, Sarang Base. You're the best. Gumawa, Chegoya, and Sarang Hey.
Sarang
See you
Hey.
in the next reaction. More to come soon.